So we talk a lot about technology adoption as well. Are there some like tools, technologies that you're more excited about for the future of our industry, for the future of our space? What gets you super stoked?
Yeah, so what, I mean, at Thomas, we have, I don't know, it's like 3.5 petabytes of user buyer behavior data now when it comes through. So I'm one of the lucky nerds that gets my hands on that, and I get to see like what the trends are all the time. So that's one of the places that I love to go check out and see what's happening. And as you might imagine, we're seeing massive sourcing surges around anything having to do with automation, robotics, IoT, anything around that side of it. Platforms like yours and others that are coming into the space right now that are taking things, not necessarily away, but they're not desktop based anymore. People can be moving around. They can see what's going on in real time inside of the machines. There's, more progressive into lights out. And you're requiring less and less staff as it goes forward. Had a great opportunity to meet some of the folks that do IoT for Toyota and some other folks. I think it was last year. It's really around IoT and how things are really flowing into the factory and the automation side of things. The challenge really is about staffing right now across the board, and we have this skills gap in manufacturing. There are a lot of different folks, I think, that have tried to make engineering cool again. I'll give the guys at Mythbusters a huge high five around that.
And love that show.
Folks that put together that show how it's made. There's a lot of things that folks have tried to do to take step forwards to show how cool engineering is and how cool maintenance and operations really is.